Hello and welcome to the FB Live presented by Apollo Telehealth. I am Tabassum Sheikh and I am humbled to speak to you all today on the International Women's Day. The reason we are talking about women today is because women had to often go an extra mile to overcome the adversities and challenges. However, despite the adversities, women have continued to hold their head up high and thrive and bounce back and provide the care, the love and support to themselves, their families, the health of their families like their parents, children and spouses. Women at every stage had to bounce back, thrive, overcome with the help of challenging the belief systems, with the help of challenging the health choices and challenging the ignorance of self-care. Today, I would like to speak to you all through the very inspiring stories. A story of a women officer in Mumbai Fire Brigade. Shubhangi Yuvraj Mandre, the 29-year-old firefighter. Growing up in Pune, she would never had imagined a career in the firefighting department. She also mentioned that there was nobody from police or army from her family. She mentioned that after her graduation, she had happened to see an advertisement where they were recruiting women officers. Evidently, she mentioned that I didn't hesitate. I wanted to try, and she travelled to Mumbai and made it through an officer. Today, at the scene of fire, the officer has heavy responsibilities. However, Shubhangi manages it all. She manages directing the firefighting, information, resources, also the people in the heat of the moment. Today, when Shubhangi Yuvraj Mandre is on the scene of fire, she is the woman in charge. Likewise, quoting the very inspiring Gunjan Saxena, a woman officer who had a biopic recently made on her true life story. She made an history as a first Indian Air Force officer women pilot who made history during the Kargil War in 1999, where as a flying officer she flew a Cheetah aircraft into the combat zone and rescued several other officers. Wow, listening about these stories literally gives me goosebumps. Very inspiring indeed. In the recent times of pandemic, women have yet again challenged the barriers and redefined their capabilities. Women have unconditionally provided care, support to their families and also have fulfilled their responsibilities in the workplace, in the workforce, by managing their teams, by fulfilling their duties towards their organization, proving that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Contributing to the same, I would like to proudly speak to you all about a story of a remote village who had witnessed a transformation, a health transformation, which was anchored by the women of their community, association with Apollo Telehealth, where we gathered a volunteered group of women, which was around 70 to 80 women. We trained them on the basic health care, the tips, the do's and don'ts, and to manage a healthy lifestyle for themselves, also in the families around. They very enthusiastically, very energetically went door to door, talking to families, talking to children, talking to the grandparents about how, for example, beating diabetes, how they can speak about the tips, how they can follow the healthy lifestyle, how they can maintain and work towards exercising every day, keeping themselves fit. We were astonished and surprised by the enthusiasm showed by the women. We were in turn very much proud and we were very much humbled to help them, as the aim of the project was to spread awareness door to door to every member of the community and more in the society. Through this program, we did empower the women. The result was again surprising. Here, I would like to request every woman and everybody out there to let us all celebrate and acknowledge the idea that we are responsible for our own thoughts, choices, and priorities. Let us all embrace, encourage, motivate, and support each other towards making better choices towards ourselves and our families. Today, I would surely like to conclude with quoting Michelle Obama, who mentioned that we as women have no boundaries and no limits to what we can accomplish. On that note, I would surely want to leave you all with one question. On this Women's Day, what is it that you are challenging? Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.